This video is the top 3 best tips for Premiere Pro beginners. Let's say I want to insert this clip here in my media pool and I want to insert it in between these two. Instead of moving it all so then I can put it in, if I double tap it so it shows up in the source viewer and then press comma, that will insert my clip into here. The second tip is making your screen vertical. So this is quite useful for things like TikToks or that kind of thing. If you go over to where your sequence is, your sequence will have like a little timeline icon. If you right click over to where it says auto reframe sequence, press on it and then make sure it's on vertical and then it says 9:16 and then press create and then it will make your screen vertical. The third and final tip. So this one is going to be in the color page. If you go up to here to where it says workspaces, press on it, move down to where it says color, press on that, make sure that you've pressed on a clip and then there's this thing here that says auto and then if you press on that it will auto color your footage, which is really useful and you can just use that, or it's a good thing to help get you started. Watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.